where they're at, or I have people and stories of where they've been at, and there's a better side to the story. Genuinely, like I said, growing up and being raised, I was raised in a Christian household. So I can't say that I've been in like really bad situations, but I've struggled and I've been in those dark places. So being able to show the glory of God through it all and giving him glory throughout my life is what I want to convey to people, that there is a better option. You don't have to resort to drinking. You don't have to resort to, all these other substances. You don't have to resort to sex. Whatever society is pushing out and whatever goal they're trying to push out, that's just the work of the enemy. So being able to show them the light of Christ, that's the goal I want to show them. And just to have a good ear, because, we have music that people listen to and they don't even realize what they be saying, and they don't realize that what they say they're speaking into existence, and then they finally live that life. So being able to make music that sounds good and delivers a good message, I'm all for it.
That's dope, man.